Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Cyprus or Cyprus, and the link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and copy link and copy coupon Rom Tips and open link. Alright, and voyfly.com, the service number one for eSIM, and click on this and write country. Okay, and open page, scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed, and click on unlimited data and choose speed plane light plus premium and select days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, and write discount or paste discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Alright, this is good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on buy now and buy eSIM, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.